Hey guys, this is Fundo on Chupagama. Bad news for Durban General viewers. Two actors are leaving the soapy. Lindelani and Dhlomo are leaving the soapy. After Dhlomo acting the story of gender-based violence, he leaving the soapy. He dies on the soapy after Snake shoot him on the soapy, and it is the way of leaving the soapy. While Lindelani will leave the soapy by moving to another hospital on the soapy, and it seems like the viewers of Durban General become shocked when they hear that Lindelani is leaving the soapy. How do you feel about the leaving of two actors on Durban General? Please leave your comment below. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.